Welcome back. This is part 2, isn't it? Yeah, this is part 2 of the file. This is the architectural file. Just rotated just to see it. Okay, so we can see the project completely clearly, isn't it? We're going to do completely this project. It's a huge project. Anyway, it's not a big issue here. We're not going to make a big story here. Okay, so this is the project. We're going to completely do it in Revit. We're going to see the building. Okay, so what I understood is they have not done something very beautiful. Beautiful in the sense, the layer especially. See, master plan. Okay, good. Master plan, excellent. Master plan. Okay, what I will do is something called as layer walk. Layer walk. Lay walk, not layer walk, lay walk. So we can see which all objects are in this project. Better zoom it like this so you can see everything. We said master, right? The architecture is empty, blank. Nothing. So I think additional structures. We're going to do all electrical also, yeah? It's a huge project. Hopefully in a couple of hours we should be able to finish it. This is the most important. Okay, what we'll do is, since I will forget it, just take a picture. So remember that this is red, pink. We'll have to look at one by one. So the master is most important. These other all is nonsense, isn't it? We just want to see these files. You can turn the selected layer off, that is freeze selected objects. This is the project. Why not I save this as a project, isn't it? Okay. I think I should give my students this as a homework. They can do it easily. I think we need the rods for the piping. I think we've done a good cleaning now. So more or less we need, this is the most important layers. I think I take photo of this would make more sense. Okay. Okay, this will be part 2 of the story. We see each other in part 3, where I will show you how do we link a file. Okay, take care. Yalla, bye.